Everyone, it's Nicole, and I'm here with layout number 11 out of 26 that I got done at the crop that I went to back in October of 2022. The first thing I'm going to do is I cut down that light blue cardstock to, I think it was about 8 by 8. And then I'm using two 4 by 4 photos, and then I'm using some pattern paper, and I'm also using a bit of grid paper, and that's where I'm going to do my journaling. Now, when I look at this now, and when I flipped it over and that diagonal paper, kind of wish I would have used that instead, but it's all good. So my grid paper wasn't 4 by 4. So what I decided to do because of it, I tucked it next to the photo, and then I'm going to take a piece of pattern paper and I'm going to stuck it underneath to make it seem bigger. And then I was like, well, since there's a little gap, that's where I'm going to put my title. And my title just says Victoria, BC. This was actually the day that we went on Victoria or on Vancouver Island, and we made our way to Victoria, BC. So already, within I sped this up by 8, so within 8 minutes, I had everything, the layout, the base of the layout already done. And you would think I would have gotten this layout done, like in 20 minutes, right? Because the base of it is done. But this layout actually ended up taking me 40 minutes. And it, like I said, it just was one of those things that I don't know if my brain was tired or if I was on slow mo. Whatever the case may be, I was just a little slow going, and that is perfectly a-okay. I'm really happy with 26 layouts done. Now I'm going to start working on the embellishment clusters. So I'm going to do one. I found it's almost like, I don't know, a little ticket or something, or just, a sticker, and it said the best and something else. I can't quite read it. It's too far away. And then so I ended up doing a cluster there with that, sort of like my second title. And then I found a piece of chipboard that I had within this page kit, and it said something about the day. And I thought, you know what? That looks good right there, but I think it would look better on that diagonal. I think it would stand out more. And you know what? It's not too late for me to, dig out that layout and just flip that over and just take the ATG off and do that. So if I feel like doing that, I certainly will. So sometimes, little things like that, I don't mind changing after the fact. Okay, so let's talk about the elephant in the room. I don't know if you can tell by my voice or if I can kind of mask it enough, but I have been under the weather for a few days. And I think I'm starting to feel better. Yesterday, I thought I was feeling better too. And by nighttime, that's usually when it shows its head again. So overnight, I was feeling a little icky again, but I think I'm past the worst of it, if you will. But that's the reason I didn't do my live yesterday, and that's the reason that I'm going to push my virtual crop, because I could not do anything at all this week. I really needed to kind of rest and not push it. So, oh wow, I'm changing ATG again. Didn't I just change it a couple layouts ago? Okay, maybe this wasn't, I don't know, posted in the right order. Whatever the case may be, I just changed my ATG gun again. So the virtual crop will be from January 27th to January 29th, and it's going to be on sale today. So be looking out for that. And in your welcome PDF, I'm going to have the 3 links to the YouTube videos or YouTube live links. And then that way, um, people that don't like to be on Facebook or anything like that, then you'll be able to still participate because it's going to be on YouTube, and you'll have the links before the crop. But I would still suggest if you want to, to join the Facebook group because I'll be sharing all the challenges. Because at Crops, what I do is I come up with 10 challenges and we have 10 hours of scrapping. And it's going to be spread out between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then the week before the crop, I share all of the challenges. And then that way, if you want to get ready for the crop, you can have your 10-page kits ready. You know what challenges we're doing, and then you can also have a successful weekend. So I really like this page. I really like how it turned out. Um, I love using the little butterflies as little accent. And this was a fun day. It was a long day, I'll say that. We got up at 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30 in the morning. Yes, 2:30 in the morning. And we got back to the campground at 1 a.m. So we were gone for almost 24 hours. So it was a long day, but it was a day just filled with so many goodies, so many fun things that we did. Oh, I almost forgot. And then on Monday, the 9th, I have a brand new class that's being released. It's called Favorite Moments of 2023, and it's going to be 12 months. So it's a two-page layout for every month of the year for 2023, so that throughout the whole year we can just say, okay, I have a layout already done. Which ones were my favorite moments? And you can just plop those pictures on your layout. And it comes with a PDF with the sketches for all those 12 two-page layouts. And also, of course, there is a real-time video for every single month. So back to this page, one thing again that I like to do as I finish a layout is I try to pick up right away. I don't try to like kind of push it off to the side. First of all, there wasn't much room. We didn't have much room, so there's no way I could have done that. But I like to pick up, and then these scraps you can actually use, to create another layout. So put them together in a page protector or one of those baggies and you're all set to go. So again, virtual crop going on sale today for January 27th to 29th. Then I have my new class coming out on Monday, January 9th. And as always, I just want to take a second and just thank all my patrons. Without you, none of this would be possible. So that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.